In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a super simple immune booster smoothie juice drink that will help get your morning off to the perfect start, fire up your metabolism and help you to feel full and sustained so that you can get on with your day. I will explain the health benefits of having this super simple immune booster smoothie as part of a regular diet, and will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 7 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1 carrot, 1 apple, 1/4 of a tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a cup of ice cubes, a slice of ginger root and a glass of water. Add all of the contents to a blender and mix until you have a consistent texture. This simple and healthy drink not only helps fire up your metabolism, but it also boosts the immune system to help detox the body to fight off infections and keep you in perfect health. This is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised with how good it will taste. That will get your morning off to a great start and satisfy your appetite while feeling fully energized. If you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content. And as always, thanks for watching.